Hello, Richard here from Laylax Airsoft. We're going to be testing this HK416 Delta NGRS electric. This one has got just the level 1 package installed and a Jeftron MOSFET and the Laylax Trigger Pin on the side. And we've set this for 0.2s for 341 FPS and 2.8s are 277, and the customer's going to be using 2.8s. So the customer requested that we did CTR stock wiring, so we've brought it out here with a flexible wire, so you should be able to just put the CTR stock straight on when you get it. All right, thank you. So we're just going to demonstrate it working now. A bit quick on the rate of fire there. Jeepers. There we go, all tested. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. Thank you.